Vatapa do Frango. Chicken vatapa. A main dish from Brazil. Serves 8. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Boil the drumsticks in 2 cups of water with the stock cube. Leave to cool. Then take meat of the bones. Use stock in next step. Step 2. Cut up the pieces of bread and lay in the leftover stock to soak. Heat the oil in a pan, brown the diced onion, add the skinned and sliced tomatoes and a pinch of red pepper. Step 3. Then add the diced chicken fillet to this mixture, as well as the soaked bread. Fry for 20 minutes. Step 4. Then add the pieces of boiled chicken, from the drumsticks, and the coconut milk and stir until it thickens. Step 5. Add some fresh coriander. Step 6. Serve with Brazilian rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.